having a go at this roof. We made some bars on the curve of the roof, and tried to straighten it out a bit. And then because it's bending two different ways, we decided I'd cut the sheets at the joint. So we're going to do it in 3 pieces. So we've tacked this one in. Hopefully it won't warp too much. I'm pretty happy with how this has turned out. We're just going to get the gas, and we're going to heat along this edge because it's full of lead, and melt the lead out, and then first panel on. We tacked it along our support bar. It's made it pretty strong, and then we'll do another panel in the back and then full of centre in, and probably just paint it black, leave the putty weld, but we've run out of panel steel. So short of cutting up fridges, old fridges, we'll just have to wait and see what happens. So we're 2 weeks into lockdown, and then they've given us another week, and then we're lumped in with Auckland, so we'll probably be another week. We've got no panel steel. So I'm going to try and do the roof out of a Buick boot. That's a bit rusty, and it's got a ridge already in it, so I might leave that ridge in it and just see what it looks like.
Idea's pretty good, isn't it?
And that ridge in the centre is not going to matter.
No, that probably gives it a good look if it's in the centre. What are you trying to do?
Get it centred. Close to that. this head off, and then match this up, and then weld it all flush. That's it, roof tacked in. I think this little ridge is good. It helps it from wobbling around. So I'll just finish spot welding it in now and clean her up. So we thought we'd do the last panel out of this door here. It's a bit rusty, so tacked the net bit on, done one side of it, we just got the back piece to go. Cut out our panel out of the door. That's what the inside of a Buick door looks like. Side intrusion panel, and I'm gonna maybe take the electric windows out of this for the other Buick. So we've cut that to our shape, and it's sort of bending both ways, so we'll just start tacking it around. We've got it tacked in, some of it seam welded. I think we'll call it a night, go in and do some editing. Right, it's the next day. So I've seam welded it all in now, and got a bit carried away, warped it a little bit. But I think we'll have a go at shrinking it. And I haven't done it for 35 years, but probably like riding a bike. So we'll grind her all off, get all the paint off, and then we'll just try and shrinken it a bit. Doesn't really matter, it's a Ratrod, but might as well get this skill level up a bit better and have a practice.
Watch that.
I didn't put my hammer up here. Fuck it, where's my hammer?
Which one?
I thought I got everything I needed. I had it here all last night, all yesterday. It should be just lying around here somewhere. Fuck's sake. What the fuck?
There it is.
Yeah.
On that visor.
Oh, fucking up there already.
No.
I can't even reach into there, so this is going to be no good.
Oh. Well, I can't.
Run into a little bit of a problem. Someone welded all the windows up and I can't get my arm in there to hold the dolly on the hot spot. So Jodie's going to get inside it, hold the dolly on the hot spot, and yeah, we'll keep trying to shrink these dents out. Probably not a total success, but we spent hours and hours on it. You can get it real flat, but well, as far as the Ratrod's concerned, it's good enough. You can skim it with bog and it's taken, so it's not going tink tink like that. But good enough for us. So I'll give it a paint up. That'll be it. Ratrod edge. So there we go. We're just gonna paint it black, matte, and where the orange undercoat was over the lead, we're trying to make that look like it was black too, and then we'll have the rust and black, and then we'll rippo over the rust, so hopefully it'll look like it was black, and like we got a few of the dents out and stopped it tinging, but you know, like, or it was sitting in the garden and it's all rippled to hell anyway. So yeah, we're trying to make the black look like it was just rusty and black. I think that's what we're going for. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe. We appreciate it.